Funny enough, accidentally I got signed up to Amazon Prime. So I became an Amazon Prime member. I gave me 1 month free trial. But now I want to show you how you could cancel it and you will still be able to use your Prime until your renewal date. So let's get started. First, when you go to your Amazon homepage, click on hello your name and then click on your account. In here, you should find a place called Prime. Click on it. And then on the top, you can see your Prime membership start date, renewal date. And at the end, there is a place that says manage. So if you click on update, cancel or more, it gives you different options. So the options that we are interested is end membership. So if you click on end membership, then it gives you this message saying that some of the items that you ordered or whatever you're using might be affected if you cancel your membership. So then you have to scroll down and here you have 3 options. Remind me later, I do not want my benefits, and I want to keep my benefits. So you have to then select I do not want my benefits to be able to cancel. And when you click that, again you come to another page. Here it says your free trial membership will expire on 23rd of October, which is 1 month from now. Obviously depends when you have signed up to the Prime to see how many days are left. Also it gives other 2 options again. So cancel membership and end benefits, just click there, close that. And then it comes to this page which says your membership will end on 23rd of October. So you're going to lose your benefits at that time. So this has confirmed that we have successfully cancelled our Prime membership.